I'm currently studying as a final year BTech Computer Science student at IIT Bombay, and my name is Kalpit Viva. I'm also running an educational company called AcadBoost, where we provide online educational services, courses and a lot of other stuff to school and college students. I entered IIT Bombay in 2017 and I had a pretty decent rank, so I ended up joining computer science department there. And first year की सबसे best बात यह कि उस समय you've got a lot of free time with you. So first year मैंने काफ़ी सारी activities की. I explored the city quite a lot. So I am from a very small town. So being in a city like Mumbai for the first time, I really liked the environment and I had a lot of fun there. I watched a lot of movies and I hanged out with a lot of friends and काफ़ी fun times थे. We used to go to this place called Hiranandani. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे there were so many eateries, there were so many aesthetic views out there. We went to a lot of places in Mumbai itself. तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया था, मतलब it was so much fun. Okay. एंड इसके अलावा मैंने कई सारी कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ भी एक्सप्लोर की. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्लब्स एट IIT बॉम्बे. यू कैन लिटरली डू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. यू कैन डू राइटिंग, यू कैन डू डिबेटिंग, यू कैन डू स्पोर्ट्स, एंड स्पोर्ट्स में भी देयर इज अ ग्राउंड फॉर प्रिटी मच एवरी स्पोर्ट विच यू कैन इमेजिन. ओके, so I personally was into music, so I learned the guitar and I did a few gigs at IIT Bombay. Apart from this, I also joined NCC. I learned how to handle guns and I actually fired a rifle. It was so refreshing to get into such a refreshing environment after such a long period of JEE preparation. We also made a lot of engineering stuff. So I made a robotic car which was remote control using Bluetooth. So that was so cool. Okay, I made it with my roommate. So that was for a competition and it was so cool, and I was having the time of my life because I've always wanted to build, you know, these cool things, and I was finally doing that. So that was so much fun. Finally our exams were coming near, so we got a bit stressed about it and we started studying. First year went pretty decent in terms of grades and I had a lot of experiences in my life as well जो मैंने first time लिए थे. And even after the exams we went to a concert. My brother and I went to an Ed Sheeran concert in Mumbai, which was so cool because I was a huge fan of Ed Sheeran at that time. So after this my first semester was over and I went back home, and at this time I was starting to get a bit serious about what I want to do with my career. And the reason for this was because I always wanted to do something great in my life, and I also had a lot of expectations on my shoulder because of my performance in JEE and all of that. So I really started to get a bit anxious about what I have to do with my life. And for one thing I was sure that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I wanted to be a big business leader, a big tech leader in future. So I even said about that in a few of my JEE interviews. I started to read about business, entrepreneurship. I started to talk to people. I started to watch movies related to that. Speaking of events, second year was not that eventful because it's a very bland semester. Like बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है second semester में. It was just a tiresome semester. Like it was not too much of fun. Like unlike the first semester. So इस तरह से मेरा first year ख़त्म हुआ, and then I entered second year. Second year में I became a bit more conscious about my academics because first year के बाद second year में your academics become much more important and difficult भी हो जाता है. So I started to get a bit more focused on computer science and CS, and I drifted away from my startup dream. मैंने सोचा था ना कि कुछ start करना है, so I drifted a bit away from that, and drifting away from all this anxiousness and stress of constantly thinking to start my own company. It led me to a phase where I was exploring myself quite a lot. So I went to a lot of places inside the campus and outside the campus as well. So I was in that travel phase, or that phase where you travel to different places and romanticize about stuff and all that stuff. So that was pretty cool. I would not say I wasted my time because most of my time was spent either on studying or on observing things, and it helped me to know myself much better. And it was around this time that I started my own YouTube channel in my third semester, and at that time I was thinking like, what the hell am I even doing? But it turned out to be the best thing I've ever done. Okay, so I'll be explaining this to you soon. So my third semester ended and I was not very satisfied with what I was doing, and the reason for that was because I was becoming a lot more focused on my computer science degree than trying to follow what I wanted to be. I wanted to be the next big thing, and what here I was doing was just studying some computer science concepts. Now I'm not trying to say that computer science is bad or it's an inferior thing to do, but it was just not my calling, and I was doing pretty fine at it. I was able to make a lot of apps and websites, and I really liked it. It's not that I didn't like it or I was not doing well at the college. Both of those fronts were really fine, but it was not really something which I wanted to do. So at this time, it was around November, I decided that what, I should probably skip all of these things which I'm not really in the mood of doing, and I should be doing things which I really like, which I really admire, and which I which I really want to be. So it was around this time that I became really serious about starting my own business, and I observed a few things. I observed that, you know what, my YouTube channel is running really great, and it was mostly focused around J and computer science education and all of those stuff, right? So at the time I had this idea that, you know what, people are really interested in getting advice from people who have achieved something. So I had achieved a good rank in JEE. I was having a decent knowledge of computer science. So people were really liking that, and people were really going to my YouTube channel and literally searching for things which I was speaking. So it led me to this idea that, you know what, I should probably create a place where people can get mentorship from people who have achieved something in their life. So with that vision, in my winter break of 2018, I created this website called acadboost.com, where I created a portal where people can come and mentor people who wanted to get mentored by them. For example, if you are someone who has cleared the IAS exam, or if you are someone who has gotten a job in, I don't know, Google or Facebook, and you want to share with someone that how you did that, because there's a lot of audience, a lot of people who want to know how to get into Google, right? A lot of people search, or a lot of people make those kind of videos, right? So I made a portal, something like that. Okay, I had decent knowledge of CS at that time, so I was able to pull this off in roughly 3 weeks time, and it was live in December 2018. So this was my first startup, and I honestly was not knowing what I was trying to do, and it was getting so I felt I was just rushing into the startup world, and it was not really what I wanted to do, but it turned out to be great. It was attracting a lot of traffic, it was going viral, and the site basically blew off along with my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel and my site began to really grow exponentially around this time in January 2019 or so, and it was going great. I was in my 4th semester, and my second year was about to end. And I would not say that I did a lot of activities in my second year again. It was mostly focused on my academics and this academic thing and my YouTube channel. So second year ends, I'm currently at a position where I have a bit of a startup-y thing going on. My website is doing really great. My YouTube channel is doing really great. My degree is going great. So it was fine. Okay. And it was at this time that I had to take a decision that should I sit for my placements or not, because internship season was coming. एंड आई हैड टू डिसाइड कि यार इंटर्नशिप्स आ रही थी कंपनीज़ की, गूगल की इंटर्नशिप आ रही थी, अमेजॉन की इंटर्नशिप्स आ रही थी आईआईटी में, एंड ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वर अप्लाइंग फॉर देम एंड गेटिंग देम, एंड आई वाज नॉट इवन कंसिडरिंग गेटिंग इनटू इंटर्नशिप्स एंड मेकिंग अ रिज्यूमे एट ऑल. एंड एट दैट टाइम यार मैंने एक थोड़ा टफ डिसीजन लिया, विच एट दैट टाइम साउंडेड रियली क्रेजी टू प्रीटी मच एवरी वन, including my family members and my mentors at IIT and my seniors and my batchmates, but I had a faith in myself. तो मैंने उस समय ये डिसीजन लिया कि आई विल नॉट बी सिटिंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स, एंड आई डिड नॉट आई डिड नॉट रजिस्टर ऑन द IIT प्लेसमेंट पोर्टल. सो दैट वाज अ रियली रश्ड डिसीजन, बिकॉज अगर मैं कुछ और नहीं कर पाता देन आई वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू सिट इन प्लेसमेंट्स later on, which was, I think it was quite a risky thing to do, but I ended up doing that. And उससे पता है एक चीज़ अच्छी ये भी कि I became focused entirely on AcadBoost. I became focused कि भाई अब मुझे इसी में कुछ करना है, अदरवाइज मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा, एंड देन यू विल बी कॉल्ड कि अरे ये तो IIT टॉप करके अब कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. सो दैट वॉज द रीजन वाई आई डिड दैट, सो दैट आई बिकम फोकस्ड ऑन वॉट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू. So now I entered my third year, and third year was really tiresome for me because the workload was so much. काफ़ी सारी पढ़ाई IIT में आ गई थी because it had so many subjects like your compilers, database, and computer architecture, operating systems, and computer security. And I was taking a lot of extra courses as well, okay, because I wanted to finish my degree early. So काफ़ी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई थी, काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज भी थे, माई वेबसाइट वॉज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग, माई यूट्यूब चैनल वॉज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग, एंड इट वॉज बिकमिंग वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एट वंस. But at this time, a few good things were happening as well. So now my website and my YouTube channel had become quite profitable, and I was able to make a living out of it, and I was no more dependent on placements. So that thing was solved. Now I was really happy that I took a good decision in my second year by skipping placements and internships. So that was one good thing that happened. And apart from this, a lot of these things were taking public attention, and I was called to speak in a few entrepreneurship events. I was invited to NMIMS Mumbai and ISER Pune for a speech. I was invited to a lot of other places as well, but I did not go because of time constraints. So I gave a speech to college students about how I started my journey, and it was really great. And apart from that, at this time I started to connect with a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of people who guided me throughout my journey, and that was really awesome. Okay, and around this time अब मैं थोड़ा और सीरियस हो गया था इस चीज़ को लेके. सो आई थॉट ऑफ रजिस्टरिंग माई स्टार्टअप एज अ प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, and now we were a fully fledged company, and I also had a few employees. Okay, तो नाउ आई वॉज इन माई 6th सेमेस्टर, इट वॉज माई प्री फाइनल सेमेस्टर टू माई फाइनल ईयर। तो फाइनल ईयर क्या होता है IIT में, फाइनल ईयर बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्स या चिल होता है, एंड उससे पहले वाले जो ईयर्स होते हैं ना वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम वाले होते हैं। लाइक सेकेंड ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर रियली लॉट ऑफ वर्कलोड इन्वॉल्विंग, एंड फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ ईयर आर यूजली चिल। तो एट दिस टाइम इन माई 6th सेमेस्टर everything was going really fine. I was having the time of my life. मेरा कोर्स बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था IIT में. I was having decent grades. I was able to understand a lot of things. I had a lot of knowledge of computer science at this point, and my business was also growing great. I had a private limited company at the age of 20, and I was doing so much. Like it was so great to be myself at that time, and I was really enjoying myself. काफ़ी सारे friends हो गए थे. I have always been an introvert, and at that time I had so many friends. It was going so fine. I started a bit of football, and it was going fine. And I was having the time of my life at that time, and then 15th of March came, COVID came in, and IIT was locked down, and I had to return back to my hometown, and IIT का semester was closed, and I had literally nothing to do for the next 5 months because अगस्त में शुरू होने वाला था next semester. So this is March 2020, and I am in my home. I have literally nothing to do, and at that time everything was going online, and this was the time for me to do the thing which I always wanted to become a fully fledged entrepreneur and to grow my company to heights. And तब मैं एकदम से यार geared up and pumped up हो गया, क्योंकि I was in the business of online education, and online education ही लोग ले रहे थे उस समय, right? Everything from school to college to JEE preparation, everything was happening online, right? So उस समय मैंने बहुत मेहनत करनी शुरू कर दी. I started to make more courses, I started to hire more people, and हमने focus किया दो चीज़ों पे, to grow our JEE preparation division really well and to grow our computer science education division really well for college students. Okay, तो इन दोनों चीज़ों पे मैंने पैरेलल काम करना शुरू किया. I hired some educators, I hired some engineers to build the platform and everything. एंड जेई प्रिपरेशन वाला जो डिवीजन है वो हमारा बहुत अच्छे से बिल्ड हो गया. सो इफ यू आर अ जेई एस्पिरेंट यू माइट वांट टू चेक आउट अकेडबूस्ट ऐप, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. वहाँ पे मैं और भी कई सारे लोग जो काफ़ी टॉप IIT से या काफ़ी टॉप कॉलेजेस से हैं वो आपको पढ़ाते हैं, एंड वी गिव यू एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम टेस्ट टू DPPs टू एवरीथिंग यू नीड फॉर जेई प्रिपरेशन. अगर आप 11th में हो देन यू शुड टेक अ 2 year सब्सक्रिप्शन. इफ इन क्लास 12th यू शुड टेक अ 1 year सब्सक्रिप्शन, और अ ड्रॉपर यू शुड टेक अ 1 year सब्सक्रिप्शन एट इंडियाज मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल रेट. इंडिया की सबसे अफोर्डेबल रेट पे वो सब्सक्रिप्शन अवेलेबल है, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन, तो आप उसको देख सकते हो, है ना. काफ़ी सारे बच्चे मेरे साथ पढ़ते हैं. And second thing which I was focusing on was computer science education. So I'm starting this entire new platform for computer science education called Skill Boost, जहाँ पे हम आपको कोडिंग, वेब डेवलपमेंट, एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट, मशीन लर्निंग, स्टार्टअप्स, ये सारी चीज़ों का काफ़ी सारा नॉलेज देंगे. सो यू कैन प्री रजिस्टर फॉर दैट. मेरा एक उसका यूट्यूब चैनल भी चलता है. सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड काफ़ी अच्छा जा रहा था सब कुछ. काफ़ी एक्सपेंशन किया मैंने इन मार्च टू अगस्त पीरियड, जो लॉकडाउन का पीरियड था ना, उसका बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइजेशन किया. सो अर्लियर वी वर लाइक 4 or 5 people वर्किंग, एंड नाउ वी हैव गॉट रफली अराउंड 25 people वर्किंग विद अस. सो वी आर ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग आवर फिजिकल ऑफिसेज राइट नाउ इन माई होम टाउन इटसेल्फ, एंड इट वॉज रियली ग्रेट कि यार 1 साल पहले वी वर जस्ट दिस मी राइटिंग अ ब्लॉग, and now 1 year after we are a company of 25 people. Then started my new semester. It was an online semester, तो अभी मैं 7th semester में हूँ. It's completely online, and हम अभी Microsoft Teams and इन सब चीज़ों पे ले रहे क्लासेस Zoom वगैरह पे. So it's not as great, क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था यार कि मेरा फाइनल ईयर जो होगा वो काफ़ी चिल होगा, कि फाइनल ईयर में बहुत कम कोर्सेज रहते हैं, एंड आई हैड कंप्लीटेड मोस्ट ऑफ माई कोर्सेज इन माई सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ईयर. सो आई डिडंट रियली हैव मच टू डू इन माई फाइनल ईयर. तो मैं फाइनल ईयर में काफ़ी फ्री था, एंड मैंने सोचा था अरे IIT में मज़े करेंगे, बट नाउ आई एम एट माई होम बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. सो कोई बात नहीं यार, चलता है. एटलीस्ट आई वॉज एबल टू ग्रो माई कंपनी वेल, and I am on my path which I wanted to be when I entered IIT. Speaking of the future, I have a lot of aspirations for my future as well. So मैं चाहता हूँ यार कि अकेडबूस्ट को एक दिन में एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी बनाऊँ in the next 4-5 years, जिसके अंदर हम इंडिया में जितनी भी एजुकेशन वर्टिकल्स होती हैं, फ्रॉम क्लास 1 to 12 योर जेई प्रिपरेशन और प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एनी एग्जाम, गेट, जेई, नीट एक्सेट्रा, आपका स्किल लर्निंग जिसमें आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस एजुकेशन आ गया, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एजुकेशन आ गया, ये सारी चीज़ों में हम चाहता हूँ एक दिन हमारी बहुत बड़ी प्रेजेंस हो. वी आर ऑलरेडी मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दैट, and it's going great, but I want to make this at least 100 times bigger than what it is right now. So that is one of my goals. My second goal is कि यार मुझे इसके बाद, if I am lucky enough to be successful, I want to do something in the areas of energy, genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, क्योंकि इन चीज़ों में मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है, and these are some areas on which not a lot of people are working. Overall I would like to say कि यार IIT में मेरा अभी थोड़ा सा जर्नी बचा हुआ है. I am still in my final year, but it was a wonderful journey. If you are a JEE aspirant, all I have to say is कि भाई यार अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ आपके सामने वेट कर रही है. It would really be great once you get into an IIT. Trust me about this, okay? So if you want to prepare for IIT with us, you can always enroll in our AcadBoost subscription. Link of that is given in description. The app, iOS app, website तीनों का दिया हुआ है. You can take a 1-year subscription if you're in class 12th or a dropper, and if you're in class 11th, you can take a 2-year subscription. वहाँ पे मैं और भी कई सारे लोग आपको पढ़ाते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छी प्रिपरेशन इंडियाज मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल रेट होती है. सो दिस इज द रेवोल्यूशन विच आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग कि यार हम कंप्यूटर साइंस एजुकेशन फॉर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, जेई प्रिपरेशन, मेडिकल प्रिपरेशन, ये सारी चीज़ों को काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल रेट पे ला सकें. ओके, सो दैट इज़ आवर अल्टीमेट एस्पिरेशन. And thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. पसंद है तो like करना. I will be making more of these IIT related videos and a lot of educational videos as well. So do subscribe, press the bell notification icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. All the best. Bye.